Hi, my name is Simon and I have two shoutouts to make before I even start this video. First one to Amazon. I ordered the package at 2 a.m. It was already at my doorstep at 7 a.m. Impossible. It still happened. Next one to Technology Connect. Technology Connections Connect. I'm not sure what's the name of the channel, I forget. But such a good video, 55 minutes of pure intelligence, and I loved it, every single second of it. Plus I watched a lot of videos about this specific machine that I'm gonna talk about in a moment. There's this one machine that I just don't believe it will work, but I watched enough videos to understand why it will work, but I still can't believe it will. So if it actually will, I'm gonna order even bigger version of it. So it says heavy package. Yes, indeed, it is heavy. This is the smallest version that can collect only 20. And guess what? On eBay, they had 50 pints instead of 20 pints for exactly the same price of $180. 200 with tax. Only caveat, refurbished, like brand new, basically restored to the brand new condition. I love eBay. I was really expecting this device to be actually smaller, so I'm surprised, and I'm very curious how the 50 version looks like if this is the size of 20. Okay, so first of all, here's the tube for the water if I'd like to drain it a different way than to the bucket. Here I literally have no idea what I can find out. Oh, small wheels. Okay, that's sweet, I guess. The bucket is actually quite big. I'm surprised. For the smallest version, that's actually quite big. And it's supposed to hold approximately like 3 gallons of water, which makes sense. So I already learned that here's the center, and if the machine will be on top, the buttons should match with this line over there for the water. I'm tired, boss, I'm tired. So I can connect here the tube that I showed you and drain the water somewhere else. That's amazing because possibly this is how I'm gonna use it. Honestly, all I want to do with this machine is set it up and forget about it. There's no way I can really sleep or do anything in this room, I feel like, with this sound that's loud, and I do not recommend it. Talking about that part, I mean, maybe it's not the worst. Right now I'm on high. Oh, so maybe if I go low. Oh, okay, that's actually worse sound. It's quieter, but more annoying, I can call it, maybe that way. Okay, I'm trying to download right now the application on my iPhone. Right now I'm recording from Pixel, so there's that. Okay, I realize it does make sense. My air in the room is dry enough anyways, but I like this part, so I have to squeeze it from what I see, and then, and only then, I can put it back up, put it back together, and it's smaller. That's sweet. Hey, so I'm in a basement currently, and it's been over 50 hours, maybe even 55, of this Midea machine working constantly, non-stop, mostly on max and high. Sometimes I change to low settings just to see the difference if there is any, but most of the time it was max level of spinning. I have no idea. Max settings. Okay, so it can gather the moisture from the air the most. And I'm in a basement. It's quite a huge basement, by the way. I'm in the room where mold love to gather the most. I'll call it this way. I cleaned all the walls that I could here, and I did basically everything in my power to make it cleaner. And after that, I just put this machine. It was working till this time, till this moment. And I have to say, even though it's March, it's a bit colder than let's say May or summertime, but basically it really can be humidity in here, and mold basically love this spot, and maybe other spots in this basement. But basically I try my best to gather as much water as I can with this 20 pint machine. Again, however it's called, I already showed you previously. And I have to say, it doesn't smell at all in this room, no more. Plus, I don't feel this humid. So I'm sure it did work. Now, the question is, how much water did this machine gathered? So, let's see. Okie dokie, so this hat I'm gonna put on my head. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. After 50, almost 55 hours of working. Oh, that's pathetic. I mean, oh my goodness gracious. That's bad. That's definitely not what I was expecting after watching all these videos. I mean, I guess there's water. Yeah, I'm really disappointed and my day is ruined. Let's see one more time with the light. That's all the water it gathered, plus like some nasty things in the meantime. Yeah, but still, the good thing is that I ordered 50 pint machine instead of 20, so it should be better, twice and a half, maybe better. So we'll see. This is huge disappointment in my books. So yeah, but I mean, the air, maybe it's better, maybe also because I cleaned all the mold from the walls, maybe that's why too. But 2 out of 10. So far I'm not recommending this machine now. I mean, it did its job, I guess. Maybe that's all it could do. But okay, I'm extending this video for no reason. Okay, it's next day, officially approximately 75 hours. Let's see how much water it gathered now, if it's not in a small room but in a really big one. It's already over 1 liter of water. Oh god, that's like 2.5 liters actually. I mean 2 liters. Maybe 1.5. By the way, to the curious ones, it's ice cold. It's not hot at all. It's like it's freezing basically. Always constantly freezing air coming out of this fan. So yeah, maybe in the summertime it's getting hot, but not here. It's next day, another 25 hours. I was just wondering if this machine will gather more water this time, because it was raining literally entire day. No, it didn't. It's still like a gallon of water. And by the way, I'm not recording on the Pixel. I'm recording on DJI Pocket 3. And I hope it's better. I hope. It was expensive, okay? 1-inch sensor. Better be better. Now, here, why I'm excited. Your package was delivered. Midea Cube 50 pints. That's awesome. And here's the water. Everywhere you can see water. It's so bad. But yeah, again, basically same amount. So I'm really hoping the other version will be better, but because like this is really disappointing. After watching all the reviews, I expect it to be till here, not there. That's like barely any water. So yeah. It's not helping, not doing anything, and the device always showing more. Right now it was showing 68, I think. So that's terrible. Alright, that's it. Literally, I have no words right now, because technically, I'm comparing dehumidifiers. Not even. I'm waiting for another one. But I have more fun comparing cameras, so please tell me in the comments which one was better. Either Pixel, DJI Pocket 3 or my Sony a6100 camera that I'm holding right now. Definitely you will feel every single shake because there's no stabilization at all. But the video should be the best. 69. It went 1 point down. Yo, it's coming back. I meant it's like chasing the podium right now until the 50 pint version comes here and destroys it. And I hope so it will be like that. But okay, that's it. Thank you. Let me know, please. Let me know if it's better or not.